Devlog for 9 September. The project will be put on itch.io for download when the demo is done. So far, most of the development has been fleshing out the story and combining that with gameplay mechanics. For this test, we've added cutscenes, changed the camera layout to the classic Resident Evil style. In addition, we've added a lot of new animations. Right now, the focus is on level design and interaction. Opening doors, puzzles, etc., as well as triggers, keycards and locks, and that type of stuff. And the enemies here are largely placeholders, but will be replaced with the Emerald A enemies I've already made, though the gameplay has to be tweaked and balanced since those enemies were designed for run and gun and dodge. And I've slowed the gameplay down somewhat. Hopefully the demo for the intro first sections should be ready for release by the end of the year and will be free on itch.io.
Preview.